We like to think we know everything about our pets, but it often seems like they lead a double life. Half a second is all they need to leave the yard and disappear, leaving us in the dark. Where do they go? And how can we guarantee their safety? Introducing Findster Home, the easiest way to keep track of your pets, even when you're away. Findster Home continuously monitors your pet's movements, so if they suddenly decide to explore the outside world, the whole family will be immediately notified. No more playing the guessing game. Whoever's closest just needs to follow the trail right to little Houdini. They better get used to you foiling their plans again, and again, and again. Abracadabra! But assuring our best friend's well-being goes beyond keeping track of their whereabouts. Findster Home monitors your pet's activity levels 24/7, helping you make sure they're living their best life. And because we have no way of asking our buddies how their day went, you'll receive regular reports to keep you updated on their latest adventures. They say home is where the heart is, and our pets are the key to both. It's only right that we keep them as close as possible. Protect your pets and increase your peace of mind with Findster Home.